Candles burned out long before your legend ever will.
His was a life of service and commitment, and now a grateful nation says its final farewell. Join TVJ and JNN on Sunday, June 23 at 11:30 a.m. for the state funeral service for Jamaica's 5th Prime Minister, Edward Phillip George Seaga. Stay with us as we join hands with our colleagues from the RJR Gleaner Communications Group to bring you comprehensive coverage from the Holy Trinity Cathedral on North Street, the final journey and interment in the National Heroes Park. That's Sunday morning, June 23 at 11:30 for the live broadcast of the state funeral of Jamaica's 5th Prime Minister, Edward Phillip George Seaga.
Like a candle in the wind, never fading.